Okay, here is like install python3.com Mac. Okay,
I didn't get any.
otherwise, okay, otherwise, if you don't have Python 3, what you can do is you can work on Python 2, not an issue. Okay,
Okay.
so you can go on a YouTube that how you can install Python 3 in Mac.
Mac. Okay, okay.
Okay, a command will be there in same way like I have. You can also search it here. Uh, this way, like Xcode select install, or either you have to install firstly you have to install Homebrew. Okay, once you got the
Okay.
Homebrew, by this Homebrew you can install your Python 3 by giving command this brew install Python 3.
Okay.
Okay, this command you have to hit your terminal. Okay, on your terminal, and after the terminal, after installation, you can hit like this one Python 3 if after this Python 3 will be installed.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so uh, now in our yesterday we have discussed about the brief introduction about the Python versions of
Yeah.
Python. Okay,
Yes.
now we have something like IDE. Okay, we have something like a IDE. So basically, what the IDE is. Okay, let me write down that here. What the IDE is. Mm, this one, IDE. Okay,
It's
IDE
not
stand for.
visible. Last page install Python 3. The last page you opened it is visible, but what you are writing right now it's not visible.
Okay, 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 okay. Let me share my screen again. Now it is fine.
The last screen is now only the last screen is visible. Install Python 3. You search install Python 3 in Mac by command. That is visible. Nothing else.
So my terminal is not proper visible.
No. Google page is visible.
Okay, 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 okay. And I hope so. There is some of how the internet issue from your side. I hope so, because from my side it is properly working.
I don't know.
Hmm.
I can see that same. Now it's
So terminal is
visible. No, still no tunnel.
this. I have an ID. Is it visible to you?
Not now. No, nothing is visible. It's written data science training meeting. No screen is shared.
Okay, okay, okay. The internet issue from your side.
Oh, I don't know what happened, but today my net is Wi-Fi not working, so using phone network.
Got your point. So
Hmm.
you can rejoin again. I hope so. You can rejoin.
No, it's loading again. Screen is loading. Wait, give me a minute.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, it's not working. Let me rejoin the class.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hello?
Yes, yes, yes.
It's loading. Yeah, it's visible. Terminal screen.
Okay. So in our terminal, let me write down here. We have something like a ID. Okay. We have something like a IDE.
Okay.
Okay. So what the basically IDE is? IDE stand for, okay.
Hmm.
ID stand for Integrated Development Environment.
Okay.
ID is my integrated development environment where we have to write the code, where we have to give the instruction to my system. Okay.
Okay.
And if you have worked on a C and C++, there is an ID we were used in our last few years, that is our turbo. I hope so. You remember about the
Mm,
turbo? Okay.
no, I don't
Turbo
remember.
or okay. So basically a blue screen where a window where we have to write down the code, that is known as our ID. That is our integrated development environment. Okay.
Okay.
Now for Python. Okay, for Python, we have n numbers of ID. Okay.
Okay.
N numbers of ID we have. So n numbers of ID we have. One, that as I said that Python is pre-installed in your Mac, okay, and Linux,
No, no, I
okay.
didn't get it.
But
Break, breakdown. N number of ID. After that,
hmm,
I didn't get
hmm.
anything.
So I'm just checking that in our Mac and Linux, Python is pre-installed, okay.
Okay.
But in other like a window, we have to install Python externally. Okay, how
Okay.
we can install a Python externally? There is an official website of a Python name as a python.org.
Okay.
Okay,